Having no electricity means having no water, so doctors and nurses have to fetch water themselves.
Vodnikova Hospital used to be one of Kherson's main medical facilities. Now it is struggling to meet basic needs.
This is to flush the toilet, to clean the floor. Sometimes this water is used for washing. I take one bucket, I boil the kettle, and I wash myself.
Following setbacks on the battlefield, Russia has been launching attacks against Ukraine's critical infrastructure, plunging the country's health system into darkness.
This is the only maternity hospital currently operating in Kherson. Since the city was retaken by Ukrainian troops, at least 8 babies were born here. But they come into this world under very difficult circumstances.
Dr. Morozov agreed to show us around the hallways and operating rooms he knows so well, but barely recognizes now. The maternity ward he's been running for 24 years is bitterly cold and dark. Incubators, sterilizing machines, and ventilators all sit idle without power. Dr. Morozov says he's never seen the place like this.
How do we cope? When there's no light, we use the torch. And we collect water in containers. We fetch it in advance. When it was really bad, we moved to the intensive care building.
Half of Ukraine's energy infrastructure is either damaged or destroyed, and estimates put the number of people without power at 10 million. They include Marina, who gave birth 2 days ago. She says she hopes for better days for Ukraine and one of its newest residents, Valeria.
We hope there will be soon.
Anelise Borges in Kherson, southern Ukraine, for Euronews.